Hello class. Okay, I'm going to show you a couple different ways how to compare fractions and relate them to percents and decimals. So we have a fraction that is 7 over 10. It would look like this. 1, 2, 3. We'd have 7 squares out of 10 colored. Now if we wanted to show it on a hundreds chart, we would do the same thing, but instead of individual squares, it would be a whole row. So you'd have one whole row of 10, two whole rows of 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so this is equivalent. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 10. So we have 3 not colored, and then same here, 3 not colored. So this is 30, and this is 3. So therefore, we know that 7 over 10 is equivalent to 70 over 100. Now we can also figure this out mathematically by timesing the top and the bottom by the same number. So we start with 7 over 10. We times top by 10 and the bottom by 10 because I know 10 times 10 equals 100. And then that gives us 70 over 100, the same fraction we had here that shows the picture. All right, now we're going to do a little bit more complicated fraction with not over 10. We're going to do something that's harder to see as a picture. We're going to do 4 over 5. So in order to convert this to a fraction over 100, we need to make it bigger. So how we do that is we have to think of what times 5 equals 100. Well, I know 5 $20 bills gives me $100, so it must be 5 times 20. So again, we have to times the top and the bottom by the same number. So 5 times 20 gives us 100. And then 4 times 20 gives us 80. So therefore, once we have it over 100, we know that 80 over 100 is equivalent to 80%. And it is also equal to 0.8, or if you want to show it as 0.80, they're both the same number. That's okay. So now that we see it drawn out mathematically, we know that 4 over 5 is the same as 80%. So this is how you would change your fractions to a fraction over 100 in order to find out the percent and the decimal.